Are you confused about making a voluntary disclosure to the IRS? Are you worried about making a voluntary disclosure? Do you know if you even need to? Did you just find out about FBAR penalties? Are you getting threatening letters from a bank? Are you unable to sleep at night? Just wondering what to do about offshore bank accounts you might not have reported to the IRS? Well then, we have just the thing. Join us for an IRSMedic exclusive webinar. IRS offshore voluntary disclosure programs, initiatives, and mind-numbing hoops to jump through. Simplified. Hi, this is Anthony E. Parent of Parent and Wynn LLP, the IRSMedic. Join us for this webinar. In less than 40 minutes, we'll explain to you the IRS's claim to universal taxation. We'll explain to you the history of foreign bank account reporting, and we'll go over the evolution of the voluntary disclosure practice to very simple, straightforward rules that existed prior to 2009 to the 4 new types of disclosures now available that have been announced on June 18, 2014. You'll learn what alternatives there are and why they exist. You'll learn how to limit or maybe completely avoid horrific penalties on your unreported foreign accounts. At the end of this webinar, you'll probably understand offshore voluntary disclosure better than 95% of the IRS employees and probably 100% of Congress. The IRS does a lousy job of explaining even simple things, and the rules are constantly changing, and the rules are incredibly complicated. So without some guidance from somebody who's been there and done that, what position does that put you in? And that's why we created this webinar, to give you the power of knowledge. We'll share some of our biggest lessons we've learned from representing our worldwide clientele. From all walks of life, from every corner of the globe, we have successfully negotiated and completed voluntary disclosures no matter what the IRS has thrown at us. This webinar is also incredibly helpful for tax attorneys and CPAs who want to learn the latest updates about OVDP practice. Of course, this webinar is no substitute for legal advice, but it will give you the foundation to know what your best moves could be. Sign up now so that you can join us, and you'll probably feel something you haven't felt in a while. Relief from your foreign bank account worries.